Jai Hind friends, I am Yogeshwar Kahar from New Catholic Mission School, Jhabua. Today we start chemistry for the 10th class student. In our previous lecture, we already cleared about the chemical reaction. But that time we not write any chemical equation. Today we start how to write chemical equation. Okay, so our first chapter name is chemical reaction and equation. You know about what happened when you put milk in summer day for one night. So tomorrow curd is formed. So the properties of milk and curd is different. Okay, so it is a chemical reaction. In chemical reaction, the initial characters are converted into other characters. Don't match each other, initial characters and final characters. So in chemical reaction, we have initial concentration, it means it's called reactant. So the example of milk is a reactant and curd is a product. Okay, curd is a product. Then in chemical equation, we have one arrow for the separating of reactant and product. And in reactant and product, we have used plus operators for two different molecule, different product, different compounds. Okay, we use in both side, reactant side and product side, the plus operators for the separation of two compound, two molecules, to reactant, to products. Okay, so how we written chemical reaction? Suppose if we burn magnesium, presence of oxygen. So magnesium react with oxygen, presence of heat, and it's converted into magnesium oxide, MgO. Clear? But this equation is not balanced, so we balance the chemical equation. So 2, they here also 2. So it's now a balanced chemical equation. Because in a chemical equation, element neither create nor destroy, but we change one form to another form. Here oxygen and magnesium is a separate reactants, but here the magnesium oxide is a compound, is a molecule of magnesium oxide. Okay, so how we written chemical equation? Two reactants react to each other and form product. How we know about the which product is formed? Always a student confused. Sir, we memorized, so it's not possible. We memorized all chemical reaction. So first, before start the chemical reaction, first we consider how to prepare chemical formula. In 9th class, you already learned about the preparing or creating a chemical formula. But again, one more times we start how to create chemical formula. Okay, so because in both side, reactant side and product side, we use chemical formula. Without chemical formula, chemical reaction is not possible. So okay, first suppose I want create sodium chloride, NaCl is a formula, NaCl. Okay, so here anion is every chemical formula have one cation and one anion. Okay, so we take one anion and create lot of formulas. First we take chloride ions. Okay, chloride ions. So its formula is Cl negative. Cl negative, it means its valence is 1, minus 1 we use it. So minus, you know that react with plus cations and form chloride ions. Okay, here sodium, its valence is plus 1. Okay, so Na plus react with Cl minus 1 from cross multiply. So plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. The formula of sodium chloride, NaCl. Okay, so its name is sodium chloride. Okay, its formula is sodium chloride. Okay, we have one short form from periodic tables. है, ली, ना, की, रब, से, फरियाद. Okay, so its valence is +1. Remaining the hydrogen, all elements are metal. Hydrogen is a non-metal element. Okay, now I prepared sodium chloride. How to prepare a lithium chloride? So what we do? Take lithium Li, then put its valencies. Okay, valency of all elements from the first group have +1 valency. So put here +1, and you know that Cl is -1. So cross multiply again. So +1 and -1 cancels. We have the formula lithium chloride. Lithium chloride, it is a formula of LiCl. Then if I want the formula of cesium chloride, so what is formula of cesium chloride? Again we take here Cs, okay, +1, and Cl minus chloride, it's -1. So again its formula is CsCl. Okay, any doubt? Again we know about the second group, beta. Okay, beta, मांगे, car, scooter, बाप, राजी. Clear? All our second group elements have the valence is +2. Okay, so what is the formula of, I remove it. Clear? What is the formula of barium chloride? Okay, barium chloride. Barium chloride. Where is barium? It is a beryllium and it's barium. So barium Ba. How much valency of barium? +2. So here +2. Okay. Then chloride. So we already know about the chloride. It have -1. Cross multiply. So Ba have only one valency. We not use positive and negative in cross multiply. Then 2 is Cl. So the formula of barium chloride is BaCl2. In 9th class you always thinking about the formula of barium chloride and sodium chloride. Sir, why sodium chloride is a NaCl and barium chloride is a BaCl2? Now I think you clear it. It's depend on its valency. Okay, so sodium valency is +1 and Cl is -1, so its formula is NaCl. But in barium chloride case, the barium valency is +2 and Cl is -1. We do cross multiply and then formula is BaCl2. Okay, if I want to prepare magnesium chloride, you write it, magnesium chloride, do it in cross multiply. Mg, okay, M is capital, so +2 because it belongs to second group. Then Cl minus, so its formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2. Okay, the formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2. Magnesium chloride. Okay, done. So first put the name of metal and after that you put chloride because Cl minus name is chloride ions. Okay, I think you understand about the chloride ions. Again you write potassium chloride. The formula of potassium chloride. Okay, potassium is +1. So potassium chloride is K +1, chloride is -1. So again its formula is KCl. Okay, it's not a chemical reaction. Okay, the formula is KCl. Done. Hydrogen chloride. The formula of hydrogen chloride HCl, because H is a +1 valency, Cl is a -1 valency. The formula of hydrogen chloride is HCl. Done. Check. Next is, okay, I think you clear about the chloride ions. You retain minimum 20 formula for chloride ions. One more. Again we take aluminium chloride. I want the formula of aluminium chloride. Formula of aluminium chloride. So we know that Bengal, okay, I written here बैंगन, आलू, गाजर इन थैला नहीं है. Okay, so all elements from 13 group have the valency of +3. Okay, the valency of 13 group is +3. So aluminium, the valence is +3. I want the aluminium chloride is -1. Cross multiply. Then formula is AlCl3. It's very easy. Now you prepare boron chloride. So boron chloride, the formula is BCl3. If I say beryllium chloride, so beryllium valence is +2. So formula is BeCl2. Okay, please written in your copy minimum 20 formula for the chloride ions. You take one side chloride and second side metals and cross multiply and form the formula in one time. If you return 20 formula, so in your future you already memorized lot of formula about the chloride. Okay, then next we take oxides. We have lot of oxides. Clear? Magnesium oxides. Now I prepare before the chloride ions in chemical reaction. Hydrogen oxide. Okay, beryllium oxide, aluminium oxide, ferrous oxide, ferric oxide, lot of type of oxide are there. Okay, so now we prepare oxide. Oxide, we have oxygen. Its valence is -2. Okay, -2 is the valence of oxides. Okay, again I want prepare lithium oxide. Okay, lithium again same. Lithium oxide. So what is the formula of lithium oxide? Li, the valence is +1 and oxygen is -2. The cross multiply to each other. The formula is 2 here, Li2, then O. It's formula of lithium chloride. Again you prepare sodium chloride. Sodium oxide. So again Na, its valence is +1. How I know about the valency? Already I clear it. If any element present in first group, so its valency is +1. Okay, +1 Na plus. Then oxygen -2. So cross multiply to each other. So formula of sodium oxide is Na2O. Clear? As it is potassium oxide, cesium oxide, all oxides of first group, the formula is LiO2, Na2O, K2O, Rb2O, CS2O. Then francium, it's a radioactive element, so we not use these elements. Again radium and NH also we not use because all three elements are radioactive. Again, if I want the formula of magnesium oxide, so how I prepared magnesium oxide? Okay, M is capital, Mg +2 and oxygen is -2. Cross multiply, so plus minus is cancel. So formula of magnesium oxide is MgO. Magnesium oxide. Then magnesium oxide. Again one more, calcium oxide. If I want the formula of calcium oxide, so calcium is Ca +2, oxygen is -2, so cancel it, form, sorry it's not a chemical reaction, CaO. Okay, don't put like that, CaO, it's a wrong form, so you return C capital, A small and O again capital. Clear? Not O is a small, O is a capital. Then you return again lithium chloride is clear. Aluminium oxide. What is the formula of aluminium oxide? Aluminium Al, its valence is +3 and oxygen is -2. So cross multiply. The formula is aluminium oxide Al2O3, because 2 here, 3 here. Al2O3 is a formula of aluminum chloride. Then again we written barium oxide. So barium plus 2, oxygen minus 2. So formula is barium oxide is BaO. Clear? Okay. So about the formula of chloride and oxide is clear. Next is next we will understand about hydroxide. Oxide formula is OH negative. Okay, so OH negative, the valence is -1. I want the sodium hydroxide. So what we do? Sodium, so put here Na, its valence is +1. Now I remember it. Hydroxide already here written, OH negative. So plus and -1 is cancelled. So formula of sodium oxide, hydroxide, sorry, NaOH. Clear? If I want to form lithium hydroxide, sorry. So LiOH, again its valence is +1 and its valence is -1. So formula is LiOH. Clear? If I form calcium hydroxide, so what is the formula of calcium hydroxide? Again, calcium is a Ca, its valence is +2. Okay, then OH -1. So cross multiply. So formula is there, calcium hydroxide is a Ca, then OH is 2. So these two for both oxygen and hydrogen. So we written here OH twice. Formula of calcium hydroxide is a CaOH twice. Clear? Like that, we have more formulas for the second group element. If I want the magnesium hydroxide, Mg, so Mg valence is again +2. Then hydroxide OH negative, cross multiply to each other. So now the formula is a magnesium hydroxide is a MgOH. Okay, MgOH. Then MgOH is a formula of magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. NiNe. Magnesium hydroxide. Again, one more thing. Aluminium hydroxide. Aluminium hydroxide. You written it about the aluminum formula of aluminium hydroxide. So aluminium valence is, I don't know, I forget it. It's belong to 13 group. So its valence is +3. Okay. Then hydroxide OH negative. So cross multiply to it. So its formula is AlOH twice. That's all. Okay. The formula of aluminium hydroxide is the AlOH twice. Okay. What is the formula of beryllium hydroxide? Beryllium, Be. Beryllium hydroxide. Be. I think you already written in your book, your copy. BeO -2, cancel it. Okay, hydroxide, sorry, hydroxide, OH -1. So -1 put here, cross multiply. Be have the 1 and OH have the 2. So BeOH twice. So it is the formula of beryllium hydroxide. Okay, again one more thing. We have one more important formula for the chemical reaction for 10th class student. Sulfate. Yeah, sulfate. SO4 2 negative. It is the formula of sulfate. Okay, we put chloride Cl minus is the formula of chloride. Hydroxide OH negative. Oxide O2 negative. So the formula of sulfate is SO4 2 negative. If I say written the formula of sodium sulfate. So we know about the sodium. Put here Na. The valency of sodium is +1, and again we know about the sulfate. Where is sulfate? The formula is SO4, 2 negative charge. So cross multiply to each other. So formula is N2SO4. So it is the formula of sodium sulfate. This is the formula of sodium sulfate. Again, sodium sulfate. One more time, potassium sulfate. Okay. Potassium sulfate. So potassium sulfate, K. How much valency of potassium? +1. SO4, 2 negative. Okay. So cross multiply to each other. So formula is K2 because 2 here and 1 here. So SO4. K2 SO4 is a potassium sulfate. So check here, the sodium sulfate and potassium sulfate both have the same formula, only difference by metals. Here sodium sulfate is have the sodium metal, potassium sulfate is the potassium metal. If I want to lithium sulfate, so direct I put here Li2SO4 because I know that the formula of Li2CSO4 is a lithium sulfate, because lithium again belong to similar group with the sodium and potassium. If I say write the formula of cesium sulfate, so you know that the cesium is belong again to first group, so we written here CS2SO4. Okay, done. Okay, next, if I want put the formula of magnesium sulfate. Okay, magnesium sulfate. So magnesium sulfate Mg, so +2 SO4 -2. Then so cross multiply, so +2 and -2 cancel. The formula of magnesium sulfate is MgSO4. Okay. Magnesium, you written here magnesium sulfate. Then next is calcium sulfate. Okay, calcium sulfate. So what is the formula of calcium sulfate? Ca plus +2 and SO4 -2. So formula is a CaSO4 is the formula of calcium sulfate. Okay, calcium sulfate. Then next magnesium, okay, beryllium sulfate, again same BeSO4. If I want to strontium sulfate, so SrSO4. Okay, so it's very easy for the second group. Again, we have one more group. Suppose I want the formula of aluminium sulfate. Okay, aluminium sulfate. So Al +3 and SO4 -2. So to put the here with aluminium Al2, then SO4 have 3. So we use bracket and it's called tries. Al2SO4 tries. Okay, what we say, this formula Al2SO4 tries. Done. Okay, next you written lithium sulfate. What is the formula of lithium sulfate? It's belong to first group, Li2SO4. Okay, now it's easy. I think you remember about the oxides, chlorides and sulfate. One more formula we have. Nitrate. Okay, formula is a nitrate. The formula is nitrate is NO3 1 negative. So NO3 is have 1 negative charge. It means its valence is -1. If I want again same sodium nitrate. Clear? So sodium valence is Na+1 and NO3 -1. So +1 and -1 cancel. So formula of sodium nitrate is NaNO3. Again, I want the formula of potassium nitrate. Okay, potassium nitrate. So K plus 1, okay, then NO3 minus 1 cancel. So formula of potassium nitrate KNO3. If I want the formula of cesium nitrate, what I do? CsNO3. Okay, now it's very easy. The formula of potassium nitrate, sodium nitrate, lithium nitrate. Okay, lithium nitrate LiNO3. Clear? Okay, next. Again, now I take second group elements, magnesium nitrate, calcium nitrate, beryllium nitrate, then 13 group, boron nitrate, aluminum nitrate, etc. Mg have plus 2, NO3 have minus 1. So cross multiply. Formula of magnesium nitrate, MgNO3. But what we do here, you know already, if 2 is here, so we take bracket. So the formula of magnesium nitrate is MgNO3 twice. Okay, like that calcium nitrate, CaNO3. So how much valency of calcium? Plus 2 minus 1. So formula is like that, magnesium. Okay, NO3 twice because we cross multiply. 3 to the 6. Don't do like this. Okay, we put 2 with the bracket because this 2 for oxygen and nitrogen both. Okay, so we use bracket and say calcium CaNO3 twice. CaNO3 twice. Now I want the formula of aluminium nitrate. Okay, you already understand, I think. Again, beta. Al, its valency is plus 3. Then NO3 1 minus, then cross multiply. So it's very easy formula. AlNO3 twice. Okay, AlNO3 twice. I think you clear it about the formula of oxides, hydroxide, chloride, okay, and sulfate and nitrate. Okay, again, now we take some chemical reactions. Because today our topic is chemical reaction. If I say beryllium react with oxygen, okay, I say beryllium, so the formula is beryllium is Be, react with oxygen. So before the written chemical reaction, you already understand about how to written chemical formula. Okay, some molecules in a natural state is diatomic. O2 is a diatomic in nature, so we always written O2, not O. Some student written like that, Be react with O. Okay, it's wrong because in nature the oxygen present in diatomic. So we put O2. We have some elements which present in diatomic: O2, N2, F2, Cl2, then H2, then Br2, I2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, these 7 elements have diatomic in nature. If you written any one of these, so you written in this formula, in this type of chemical formula. So, and other elements which present in solid state and it is a metalloids. So put atoms like that here. Beryllium react with oxygen. So how I know about the product? I know about the cross multiply method. So take here in our rough work, Be, its valence is plus 2. Okay, beta mange car scooter, it belongs to second group. Oxygen, in cross multiply we use only atoms. Okay, not molecules. Here molecules are present, but in our cross multiply method we have only atoms. So plus 2 and minus 2 cancel. The formula is BeO. So our product is BeO. Okay, I think now you understand how to create product from reactant. If you know about the reactant, so you easily understand which product is formed by the use of cross multiply method. So now we balance this chemical equation. You already clear here, oxygen is 2 but here oxygen is 1. Don't put here. We change the number in the front of chemical compound, don't here, because we put here the number of atoms. This 2 is indicate number of atoms, and here if any number is present is the number of molecule. Clear? So we have 2 but here only 1 oxygen is there, so we put here. Clear? But here barium is 2 but here 1, so we put here. No, we don't change here, we change always front of the chemical compound or elements. Then again we take some more example. If I say magnesium react with chlorine, magnesium react with chlorine, so we know about the magnesium put Mg, but chlorine here Cl is Cl2, Cl2 arrow. So our product is cross multiply Mg and Cl. So Mg is +1, Cl is -1. Cross multiply again. So +1, sorry, Mg is +2 beta. Okay. Cross multiply, formula of Mg Cl2 is our product. So again we check the number of atoms. Cl is 2, here 2, no change. Mg is 1, here also 1. So no problems. Done. Clear? So like that equation you do in your copy. Minimum written 10 chemical reaction on the basis of this. Okay. We again take some more chemical reaction. If aluminium react with bromine, Br2. So what is the formula of aluminium bromide? We know about the aluminium +3 and Br belong to फिर बाहर आई anti, it means its valence is -1. So we cross multiply, so aluminium is 1, okay, and Br is 3. Okay, so formula is aluminium bromide AlBr3, but here 2. So what we do, we increase the value, it's not possible, we return here 3. So what we do, we double this value, 3 2 ja 6. Now we put here 3, 3 2 ja 6. Aluminum is here 2, say again we put here 2. Okay, so please written in your copy some chemical reaction. Okay, again in our next video we discuss about more chemical reaction and our topics from our book. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.